Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the door latch on this LG electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. The main reason why you'd be replacing your door latch is if the unit will not start. To begin your repair, we must first access the back of the unit. Stop. Always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. In order to access your door latch, first we'll open the door. Now what I usually find is that the actual strike is made of metal, but the latch has plastic inside. So sometimes that strike can end up damaging some of the portions inside of here and it will not keep the door closed. So in order to replace the actual latch portion, there are two Phillips screws that are holding it on. Remove these screws. You may have to get something to kind of pull the latch out, pull it straight out, and set it to the side. When installing a new latch, just put it in perfectly straight. Reinstall your two screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.